First thing we want to do is we just want to open up the iBisPaint X app. Once in the app, you can go into the online gallery where you can simply find images with the word QR code in them, and you can actually just save these to your gallery by clicking on the image and scrolling down and clicking on view image and holding down on the image and saving it to your photos. And this is how you can add the brushes into your own gallery. You go back to the home screen, click on my gallery, and when you're actually in your project, I'm just going to create one for the purpose of this video. You can see when we're in our projects like so. All you need to do to import your brush is you click on the brush in the bottom left of the screen, click on brush, and you can see you'll be brought to this page right here where you just want to add any random brush like so, and then go to the custom option here. And you can see when we click on any one of these brushes that we have added, we can actually just click on it and we'll be brought to this page right here where we click on the three dots in the top right hand corner, and you want to click on the import brush QR code or export brush QR code depending on what you want. We're going to import one though, and then you can see we can put this image in here and you can see it'll just confirm that this brush will be added, and you can see it's just been imported. And when we go back to the screen right here, you can see our new brush is actually in the app. And you may have to watch an ad if some of these brushes are not on the free version, but that's all you need to do to import brushes.